And it is a form of exercising that moral freedom. Like when you come to God in moments of wellness and in moments of abundance, and to remember, because people tend to come, and the Quran says when people are in need, they return to God. And then when they are doing well, they forget, it says. They go into a state of forgetfulness. So it's good to be in a state of remembrance. That's, for me, dhikr is not just the ritual of doing dhikr, which is also good because it calms the senses, but dhikr is a bigger concept. It's a way of, it's an ontological state. It's a way of being in the world, of showing up in the world. Yeah, it's being in a state, yeah, it's staying in a state of remembrance. Yeah, to remember, to come back to the moment, to come back to yourself. And that's why that verse about, yeah, about life, yeah, about life being an ornament and competition. When we remember that, then we step out of that race, the rat race as they call it, and then it becomes a life of discipline, humility, and work. Whatever is, on your plate, you finish it. You show up for whatever is in your life. And it's not about like reaching some ultimate goal, because this dunya, the Quran tells us, even at its best, it's like a gorgeous plant that will wither away. It is bound to wither away and dry up, and like fly in the air. So it tells us to always remember that dunya is not static. It's not possessible. It's always transient and finite.